This is second part of cell chapter. First question. The term glycocalyx is used for a layer surrounding the cell of bacteria. जो बैक्टीरिया के सराउंडिंग्स लेयर है उसको ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स बोलते हैं. Next. Which of the following type of plastid does not contain store food material? Chloroplast, chromoplast are yellow and reddish color. Yellow and reddish or reddish because of their presence of carotenoid pigment. They do not contain store food. So our answer is chromoplast. Next. Select the alternative giving the correct identification and function of organelle. या और ये organelle है जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रोड्यूस करते एटीपी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. So our answer is produce cellular energy in the form of ATP. Next. Select the correct statement from the following regarding cell membrane. First statement, sodium and potassium ions moves across the cell membrane by passive. No, it is by active transport. Next, protein makes up to 60 to 70% of the cell membrane. No, it is 50 to 40%. Plasma membrane contains 50 to 60%. 50 to 60%. Next, lipids are arranged in bilayer with polar head towards inner part. No, lipids are bilayer hydrophilic outward and outward होता है. Next, fluid mosaic model cell membrane was performed by Singer and Nicholson. Yes, Singer and Nicholson. So our answer is 4. Next question. What is true about ribosomes? First statement, the prokaryotic ribosome are 80S. No, it is 60S. No, it is 70S. Okay, sorry. Prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S. Next statement, these are composed of ribonucleic acid and protein. Yes, it is. They are composed of ribonucleic acid and protein. So our answer is 2. Next question. Which of the following does not differ in E. coli and Chlamydomonas? So E. coli is a prokaryote and Chlamydomonas is algae, which is eukaryote. So इसमें cell membrane differ नहीं है, does not differ in cell membrane. So our answer is cell membrane. Next question. Which of the following structure in organelle with an organelle ribosome? Next. Peptide synthesis inside a cell takes place in ribosome. Ribosome में peptide synthesis होता है. Next, important site for formation of glycoprotein and glycolipid. So हमने NCERT में दी है Golgi apparatus is the most important site for formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids. So Golgi apparatus our answer. Next, which one of the following is not considered as the part of endomembrane system? So हम देख सकते हैं endomembrane system include endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome and vacuoles, and chloroplast and peroxisome are not coordinate with the above component. So peroxisome और आंसर ये नहीं होता. Golgi complex होता है, vacuole होता है और lysosome होता है. हमने देखा. Next, the plasma membrane consists mainly of proteins embedded in polymer of glucose molecules. Next, the main area of various type of activities is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm में सारी activities होती है. Main area for activities of cell. Next, Which one of the following has its own DNA? Mitochondria. Both mitochondria and chloroplast are semi-autonomous organelles. So mitochondria में होते हैं. Next, cytoskeleton is made up of. साइटोस्केलेटन हमने ये देख सकते हैं. साइटोस्केलेटन, an elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structure consisting of microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filament present in the cytoplasm is collectively referred as cytoskeleton. So microfilament, proteinaceous filament present in the cytoskeleton is made up of proteinaceous filament. Next, in germinating seed, fatty acids are degraded by exclusively in the glyoxysomes. Next, vacuole in plant cell. Vacuole is a membrane-bound space found in cytoplasm that contain water, sap, and excretory products. So, is a membrane-bound or contains is a vacuole is a membrane-bound and contains water and excretory substance. Next question. Which one of the following is not constituent cell membrane? So, proline. Biological organization starts with submicroscopic level, molecular level. Next. क्लोरोफिल इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट लोकेटेड इन. जो क्लोरोफिल होता है वो इसमें होता है, जो ग्रैना है ना इसमें. So our answer is granum. Chlorophyll. Next question. Centromere is required for movement of chromosome towards the pole. Next. The main organelle involved in modification and outing of newly synthesized protein to their destination is. So जो smooth endoplasmic reticulum होता है, rough endoplasmic reticulum absorbed in the cells actively involved in protein synthesis and secretion. So our answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Next. इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट को क्लोरोफिल इज प्रेजेंट. हमने देखा है था ग्रैना में प्रेजेंट है. ग्रैना उसके थाइलेकोइड बोलते हैं उसका. ये थाइलेकोइड है, वो ऐसे प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उसको ग्रैनम बोलते हैं. सो ये थाइलेकोइड पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, राइबोसोम आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन. ये जो न्यूक्लियोलस है उसमें राइबोसोम प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. तो न्यूक्लियोलस. नेक्स्ट, इन फ्लूइड मोजाइक मॉडल ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, जो फॉस्फोलिपिड लेयर है वो किस में प्रेजेंट है? इन बायोमोलेकुलर लेयर इन मिडल पार्ट. सो फॉस्फोलिपिड फॉर्म्स अ बायोमोलेकुलर लेयर इन द मिडल पार्ट. या देख सकते हैं हम इसमें ये और ये जो वहाँ मिडल पार्ट में जो फॉस्फोलिपिड बायोलेयर है